Hey guys, Troy here, and I actually have two things that are new. One, I have a new transformer, and it's compatible with one of my other transformers, and I got something really surprising, I think. I built this new tab stand, and it actually works pretty good. So I'm going to just lift my tablet out of here. It's actually pretty secure, so I have to hold the actual stand down in order to pick it up. So, lifting the tablet up, and it took some of it with it. Just put this back where it belongs. There we go. This is my new tab stand. So at the bottom of my screen, I have a thing that counts, shows how long I've been recording. Here's the camera hole. As you can see, these hold the tablet all in there. And yeah, and there's my little battle droid hanging off of one of these saddle things. So let me just go ahead and put this back in there, if it'll let me. If I can. Just possibly. Okay, great. So yeah, I'm planning on upgrading my Troy sign pretty soon too, so be expecting that as well. And, for the main show, let's get started. Get that out of the way. So here we have, Smokestack and his partner, Hailstorm. And I also kind of updated Smokestack, but not really. He's now an Autobot, and that's kind of clear because I used mainly these blue 1x1 studs. And yeah, so he looks more like an Autobot. As you can, if you just lift this up, there's the blue studs, and then his visor is blue as well. So getting rid of Smokestack here. So Hailstorm is basically a trailer. Yeah, it's a missile launcher that's a trailer as well, so, yeah, not too much to it. It's got some nice shapes to it. Like, I'm glad I kind of added these panels here. This, I don't know what. The grill pieces just had smooth pieces. This piece just to cover up some hinges. Unfortunately, if you're really picky, you can see the head, but can't really see it from here. You have to see it in human to see it. So I will make a tutorial on this. This is actually really good, and I think I'm going to keep it. So let's get on to transformation. Now, before I transform this guy, I forgot to do size comparison. So here he is next to a minifigure. Pretty realistic. Here he is next to Moby Dick. Not realistic at all. This guy is very small. Once again, here he is with Smokestack. This guy could be, Smokestack could be a little bit bigger. And yeah, so let's get on to transformation. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take this black piece and angle it down and rotate the hinge piece up. Next, you're going to come to the back and fold this down and kind of straighten it out. So next what you're going to do is you're going to take these panels, fold it down, and then rotate the arm around on this hinge like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold them back, just like kind of straight. Now he kind of looks like he's flying. Now you're going to fold this up and around like that. Then fold the missile launchers down and rotate them around. Fold these down, rotate the hand out, and fold it forward. Do the same on the other side. Rotate the hand, fold it forward, get him standing. Actually, what you're going to do first is fold this down, and kind of angle it towards the body, and then fold up the head. And there you have very front heavy Hailstorm in his robot mode. And I love this robot mode. It looks very similar to Smokestack, if I can just transform him, but he looks really cool. I like that how his missile launchers turn into jetpacks so he can just fly around. I also like that if you leave him in robot mode, people will mistake him for a car because of this kind of front bumper. Another thing, if I can just take off my little robot dude from the from my stand, you can actually place him in there. You just need to fold this back, fold that up. Now this might be kind of tricky because I did this without these things here, so you might need to take those off. So you can just take a battle droid. You cannot take a minifigure, unfortunately. But you can take a battle droid and kind of just angle him in there like that. Fold this. You need to tilt his head up almost all the way. And now you can see if I can get this head up a little bit. You have to very much fidget with this in order for it to work. And he will not be able to look. He's kind of looking up. That's when you fold the head up, and underneath the head becomes a screen to where he can see where he's going. And this also makes him even more Hailstorm even more This makes Hailstorm even more front heavy, but you know what? You got a droid in there. He's kind of cramped, but not that cramped. So let's get him into size comparisons. So, getting things started, here he is next to a minifigure, and since I removed the guy, here he is next to the battle droid, basically the same size. doesn't really matter that much. Here he is with his his partner rather, Smokestack. And as you can see, I made his visor blue. And here he is next to Moby Dick. Just because I could. And yeah. As you can see, I took away that annoying 1x4 and traded it in for a 1x2. Now you can have this guy shooting pretty easily. So yeah, here's a quick 360. And yeah, I will be doing a tutorial for this guy. Actually, I think I can probably do one tonight. So yeah, tutorial will be coming out for this guy, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.